Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to our channel, so subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates. So guys, today I am bringing you a new amazing cryptocurrency chat. Its name is Pop Social. So in this video, each and everything about this project. So guys, in promotional time, I'm starting the video. Pop Social leaderboard. Climb the leaderboard and earn your share of the private prize pool. You can check here. James NFT Mind is coming soon. You can and drop here your email here, and you can submit now and get update about Pop NFT. You can scroll down and check here the social price $0.41. You can check here. You can click here and see this daily activities. User 58,196 users and 519 and total users, and you can see 23 million plus USDC. So here you can check here Pop Social's new era features highlight. So Pop Social will release cutting edge AI, SocialFi and Web3 feature in the upcoming phases of our roadmap. You can check here AI. You can scroll down and see this global AI native developer ecosystem, AI creator ecosystem development fund, custom AI algorithm, AI avatar, chatbot, and UTC and UDC, and the Web3. You can see Web3 base chain, and you can check here social attention mining mechanism. You can check here SocialFi. In SocialFi you can see this ZK Verify. You can SocialFi credentials, decentralized and permissionless and on-chain content, and decentralized cloud storage, and decentralized creator neural agent network. And next you can see partner and backers. The Pop Social ecosystem is a multi-chain platform. Check out all our partners on the same cluster in in marketing the Web3 space more easily accessible. You can check partners in which OKX, Fundamental Labs, Kara, and many more are available here. So top media features, check out what the world has to say about Pop. Catch all our latest media features here. The Pop ecosystem is run by a sustainable economic model. The steady flow of PPT within the Pop ecosystem allow the Pop treasury to capture value from both users and creators and redistributes this value back to the community on a contribution basis. So total supply, you can supply 200 million user PPT multi-chain functionality. Pop began its journey on BNB Smart Chain and is also available on Polygon. As small as a multi-chain project, we will soon be available on many other chains. With PPT you can process so on many other chains. You can check here. You can see this white paper and light paper and verified contractor. So PPT, pump your PPT back by inviting friends and posting and engaging with the posting is tactical about the road limit of the Pop roadmap of its present to ultimate Web3 social ecosystem that empowers you by placing creator in the middle. Our roadmap will tell you all about it. You can check here. You can see all of its quarters in quarter 3, quarter 4 2022, quarter 1, and all of its quarter which is given here. So you can check here easily. So scroll down and see this complete detail in social media communities in which Twitter, Discord, Telegram, Instagram are available here. So again, earn this talking this partnerships and this present group. You check here and scroll down and see this and other detail and decentralization journey. You can identity, unique identity profile, wallet partnerships with Web3 or protocol, content, social graph, EVM, social table data availability layer, Pop token launch, and next you can see its next quarter in which digital collection and marketplace in exclusive collection, dynamic NFTs content, and in algorithm and generative AI UGC users centric experience recommendations. And next I will discuss the Pop Social price. You can check here the price now $0.41. You can check the Pop price in Bybit exchange. So you go to Bybit exchange and check here the Pop token price $0.437, $1 24 hours change. You can check here 24 hours high 0.43754, 24 hours lows, and you can 4173 24 pound total volume. You can check here guys the pop token price chart. You can see this price ups and downs, and you can get your profits now and see after 5 minutes trading chart. You can then click here and see here. Now you can check here after 5-minute price, and you can see now price, and after month you can click here. You can after month 1 month you can pop token. You can check here its price and get buy. Now you can enter your amount of USD, then you can enter your quantity of pop token, then you can increase the percentage, then you can enter your order value of 10, then you can buy and check here. This is the amazing token project. So guys, buy this project pop token now, and now we're going to back to home page. Web3 unique identity, a decentralized and in which pop collectibles community and engage, earn, repeat, pop experience, Web3 unique identity, and many more things in it. And in shop, limited edition NFT fashion items, unlock exclusive physical gamification and rewards, collaboration with artists and design, digital fashion showrooms. You can click here and see this and other shop detail. You can check here. It's a social platform that values your active participation and rewards you for every interaction as you connect with friends, explore captivating content, and join vibrant communities. So you can carefully see all details of it. So we understand the true worth of your engagement. The more you engage, the more you earn. Don't miss out this project, Pop Social Pop Ecosystem. It's a unified platform that brings together diverse social community and enabling seamless interaction and collaboration. By leveraging cutting-edge technology like generative AI and multiple blockchains, Pop creates a cohesive environment where users can effortlessly connect and engage. So here you can see entrepreneurial, sustainable, and organization. Our platform serves as a multi-chain aggregator, remaining agnostic to social protocol built to unify and connect communities in one single place. The PPT tokenomics model is designed to establish a self-sustainable ecosystem, placing almost importance of here you can see its FAQs. Through these FAQs you can get help about this project. So guys, click on any question to get answer. So your Web3 journey starts here. So download it on Google Play Store and App Store. So here you can see it's you can join this project and follow these social media communities in which Telegram, Instagram, Telegram, Discord, YouTube, Medium, LinkedIn, and Facebook are available here. So you must join these communities to get its news and updates. So in market cap, you can see it's all of its updates about this project. You can see this all of NFT updates. So you can check here now and back to the home page. And next guys, you can check here the community sale in which seen in round 1 you can claim. Now you can round 2 you can see this and pilot pass might not OPN mint on OPANB mint on highlights. You can check here highlights. You can see this creator pop in media, pop token, blog, get verified, shop, pops, IDO with Bybit. So guys, you can see, go to the white paper of this project. In the white paper you can see it's a white paper. So it's a white paper is very important part of this project, in which you can see all of its complete details in it. So you must read out the whole white paper, in which it have the introduction, project mission, project vision, roadmap, tokenomics, and more of its details about this project. So you must read out the whole project. You must join this if you like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for